Hello everyone, my name is Adv Kiran. I have traveled from Goa, Tangent. We have come in Thar, which is 2022 model, and our experience with Thar and particularly with their suspensions was very bad while traveling from Goa to Ichalkaranji. Now, after coming to Ichalkaranji, we have installed ARC suspensions, and those suspensions appear to be very excellent, and they are performing very well. We have taken a preliminary test of those vehicles, and our experience appears to be 60%. We have satisfied, and another 40% we will cover it on the way back. And I think so the experience will be wonderful. So I wish everybody should come here, take one experience of the ARC suspension, and definitely decide to set up their vehicle according to their wishes. The vehicle appears to be company had never planned to design it for the family, but after putting the ARC suspension, definitely the family experience will be also wonderful, and ARC suspension will perform that way.
Any suggestions to ARC?
I will say that the service is excellent. I don't think so any suggestions are required, and R&D is frequently, they perform the R&D very frequently. So I don't think so there is any requirement, because they are each and every year they are improving and they are tuning their suspensions. So I feel that nobody will have disappointment after installing the suspension.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay.